Welcome to DocZone, a hosted platform designed to help you create technical documentation with both simplicity and efficiency. In the next few minutes, you'll see how DocZone provides the tools to create and deliver technical content into PDF, EPUB, HTML, and other formats. Because DocZone is designed to run in your internet browser, there's no need to spend months setting up a content management system and installing a lot of complex software. With DocZone, your browser becomes a complete technical publishing platform. DocZone uses a modern approach to managing content that separates specific formats from the authoring process. Rather than worry about font sizes, indentation, pagination, and other formatting-related tasks, authors focus instead on creating topics. Topics are pieces of information that make sense on their own, covering a single subject. Authors focus on making the content in the topic as complete as possible. Often each topic will correspond to an entry in a table of contents in your documentation. Each topic can be edited using the integrated browser-based editing environment in DocZone. This environment provides authors with a word processing style view, focusing on the overall topic structure rather than formatting details. This makes editing content much more efficient as authors focus on the content they are producing. Topics are connected together into an overall document using a book map. A book map is a file that puts your topics together in order. It's like a table of contents for your document. DocZone includes a drag-and-drop editor that allows you to add and organize the topics in your book map. It also gives you a preview of each of the topics, allowing you to quickly review the structure of your document. DocZone's built-in browser-based editing environment also allows you to track and approve changes to your content, and it maintains a record of who made specific edits and when those edits were applied. With the various topics assembled together in a book map, it is easy to generate an output document whenever you need it. Click the PDF button to see your content laid out for print or for use in a PDF reader. Generate an EPUB file for use as a digital book. Output to HTML for online help or inclusion into a website. You can also export the content as pure data for use with partners or other applications. Each output type supports one or more style sheets. A style sheet is a set of automated rules that are used to format the content in DocZone. Style sheets can be designed for virtually any type of requirements. DocZone's default style sheets can be used as is or tailored to your particular requirements if needed. Once a style sheet is created, any of your publications can be published with it. This ensures consistency across all of your documentation, and also that future formatting changes do not require the authors go back to the original content. Updating a style sheet will allow you to republish all of your existing content in a new format. A major challenge when doing multilingual publishing is keeping track of what's been translated. Oftentimes, as documents go through multiple revision cycles, companies find themselves having to have the entire document retranslated in order to guarantee that all the changes have been accounted for. DocZone includes a built-in translation engine that keeps track of all the changes you've made in your content as it evolves, and it preserves all existing translations down to the sentence level. DocZone allows a translator to focus on the text being translated, and since all the edits have been tracked for you, you no longer have to worry about keeping track of changes after a publication has been released. DocZone will highlight the changed content for you, dramatically reducing the time and effort spent on translation tasks. Instead of expensive retranslations of entire documents, DocZone sends the translator directly to the words or sentences that have changed. DocZone also includes a translation memory that remembers previous translations. If a phrase appears multiple times in your documentation, a translator is provided with those previous translations and can quickly apply them if appropriate. It can even detect close matches that can be inserted and edited if needed. The images in your publications also support multiple languages. If your diagram or image needs to be changed for other languages, you can upload the appropriate image variants. DocZone automatically selects the correct image when creating your final output. Much of the time, you can apply the same style sheet to many or all of the languages you support. Creating documents in multiple languages is just a matter of selecting the desired language when building your final output. DocZone is a full-featured content management system. Content you edit in DocZone can maintain its version history, allowing you to track and roll back to previous versions if you need to undo edits. DocZone can also allow you to manage workflows in the system. Instead of emailing content back and forth for edits and approvals, you can make the assignments within DocZone so there is no confusion over what tasks need to be performed by whom. The built-in dashboard provides users with a view into the content and the tasks relevant to them and can be changed by each user to reflect their needs. DocZone is a real content management system, but avoids the time and expense of configuration, customization, and integration common in traditional content management deployments by providing a pre-configured environment that handles your publishing needs. If setting up a modern, component-based documentation process sounded too complex or expensive, DocZone may change your mind. Our hosted software-as-a-service environment lets you focus on your content rather than building complex IT solutions. Our flexible pricing options can also accommodate a range of budgets. You can learn more about DocZone by visiting our website. There you'll also see how you can contact us to learn more. We look forward to the opportunity to show you what DocZone can do for you.